How to activate Eastwest credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way that you can activate your credit card of Eastwest Bank. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into it without any further ado. First of all, open up your web browsers and let's head over to the website of Eastwest Bank. Search for eastwestbanker.com and you're going to land on the website of Eastwest Bank. Now from this home screen, you just need to click on the online banking option on the top right. So in order to activate your card, you'll need to have the online banking of Eastwest Bank. So click on online banking and choose your option if you have created your personal account or if you have a corporate account. Now if you already have an account, you can just log into your account and you'll have a section of activating your card. But however, if you don't yet have an online banking of Eastwest Bank, you'll need to sign up for it. So click on sign me up, agree to these terms and conditions, and then click on continue. This menu will open up which says, do you have a debit or prepaid card? So just click on yes. Now this is a section where you can activate your credit card if you don't yet have online banking. So type in your card number in the first box and then type in the PIN of your card in the second box. This way your card will also be activated and your online banking will also be created. So type in these details and also follow some of the other steps such as verifying your identity and setting up your username and password. And lastly, you'll also need to select a security question so that other people won't be able to access your online banking. Once your online banking is successfully created, your credit card will also be activated automatically. So that is the process of activating the credit card of Eastwest Bank. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to be back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.